family, what up, what up? So we're here again. So there on the Thursday day, don't know his strips already. Nisha gone on his school. Let me get up this morning and I wonder like what I eat this morning, because honestly I didn't feel like eating no fry up nothing. Well, at first I just go about some egg. But then I say, if I when I eat egg, chicken, yeah? I say no. Well, to be honest, I egg menace me and look, but at the same time I say no man, but I can look fine soon. Check the fridge and see, I have some carrot, some cabbage and something. So I say no, shut up some steamed veg I made. Yeah, there's so much white shit in my hair, like. Yeah, so I look both some rice. Some nice little saltfish, right? Just I boil them. Steamed veg, so I have cabbage, carrot, onion, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme. Just simmer down, and then I just add some seasoning in it, some tomato, so I guess that will be my brunch, I guess, because it's about 12 o'clock, so hope everybody good. And yeah, I like the whole settings are there, this love and the support. Like, me have to continue talk about the love and the support that I get. You see, pray, and with the video with my mother, like, honestly, when I read the comment and see, like, and other people actually are sending me video crying, like literally I cry, like, you guys actually feel what I felt what I feel, and when I think about that, I say, yo, Jano, if you can't feel that, they just imagine I'm my mother, you know what I mean? But yeah, I just love the support team we have behind me, isn't it? And yeah, we hope we can continue what we are do, and get the support same way, and we can reach further with the thing, and we are planning some chips, and yeah, we are planning some chips and something. So once in the stay, continue watch, and we see the whole journey and everything already, because England, big up on yourself. Probably soon when you see in England, States don't know trips go, So we soon start branch off a little bit and start tour the place, like get to know. Because honestly, like me never think of like traveling, Me think about travel, but that when like me want to go England, because honestly England always for me, I always want to go just because of football. So when my father, like, I'm finding out my father there in England, and I say, yo, Jano, it's England more because Emirates, and I say football my thing there, so that's my thing there, England me always a pray, so me always say I want to go England. Nowhere else me never have in mind more than England, but now that me actually travel come Canada now, is like, yo, it's a wonderful feeling, you know what I mean? I've been thinking like, yo, I would travel the world, like I would want to go see other places, and I heard that England is very nice. I would like to try their food and stuff, so I would go to England, but time, right? Oh shit, that's me, I burn up, I have to go show to say. I burn in veg. Oof. Whenever I cook on the steam, just come out of the pot and I lick on it, if you see, I'll just take a second. One of them want to just reach, but one of them see we can put up this. Alright, there is so. Yeah, so. This is the one in carrot I cook down a little bit. Honestly, we should make I use some regular seasoning them from yard, but I guess you have to just use what you have. So I see. They are. This say ground black pepper, so I'm gonna need a little black pepper. And then you can bust it saute. Some all-purpose. Don't know the chefs do. So I'm using a little black pepper, all-purpose seasoning. This is a different seasoning from our seasoning, but it will work. And luckily, I have some Maggi seasoning. This is another like chicken season, but I use it still because it gives it a little flavor. So more like the chicken something Mr. Mike always I use. Like he always give anything I make me use like it gives a little nice flavor in it. So I always use a little bit. So now use the saltfish, I have to wash out box of my salt. Wash out the salt. So while you're cooking, you know. It's my time, like when I cook dumpling, I just cook the saltfish in the dumpling pot. You know? But when I done, I just wash out back the saltfish, because if you don't wash out the saltfish, sometimes you get too salt. You know? Sprinkle my fish. Bust piece and saute. But
I'm currently whispering because Nyla is sleeping and I don't want to wake her up. Shout out to Squeaky Floors. But yeah, so she's sleeping. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. So I just got home from school not too long ago. And Ziggy and I are here chilling, chilling. I'm editing Zero. I called you Zero just now. Ziggy is...
who's Zero?
What are you doing?
I watch some football.
Have me here editing. But yeah, so I was just in the room trying to, you know, screechy out. And of course the floor is just squeaking. Ziggy, your face look fat, you know? You guys tell me his face don't look fat.
No. No, seriously.
Anything with football is just entertaining to this guy. But tell me his face don't look fat, guys. This is what good loving do to you. Daddy's home. Daddy's home.
Oh, no.
What a surprise for you.
Really? You cooked?
You're funny.
Oh.
House school. The people them say that they want some cooking videos and they want a recipe and all this good stuff.
Not a problem. Work on that this weekend. What if I cooking to do?
Oh really?
Yeah.
So let me just tell you guys that how my dad also does catering. If you're in the Toronto area, just holler at us.
And me work on like a diet thing and get a little belly. Just regular water and lemon.
Yup. I'm gonna cook though.
I'm gonna get me some master for help me now. I get a apprentice.
For what?
For help me cook.
What do you have to do?
Not today.
What are you cooking?
All the other days when I'm gonna cook, give me an apprentice right there.
Oh,
I'm a second right there, so.
Daddy, how you say the dog them bark? Canadian dog bark versus Jamaican?
Oh. Yes. Jamaican dogs, you know, when they dog, they're like. Them Canadian dog and like. Look like them about drink liquor. Because It has to be because, come on, Jamaican, you talk the Jamaican talk. Grip! Billy up!
So you feel like that's what makes them go on like that?
Of course it is.
So they're talking back to you basically in Jamaican, but
yeah.
dog
so
Jamaican.
Come, they go, yo, go! And when there's a pack of them, you remember like them drunken old man they will drink white rum at Jamaica, so them stay.
Do you remember when we had Nova? Okay, so we had a dog in Jamaica. Well, she's still alive. She's still there. Her name is Nova, and she's a German Shepherd and a Shih Tzu. We got her in Jamaica. Don't ask us about that mix. They forced it. But anyways, whenever I used to walk down Ziggy's house with that dog, all the dogs used to like bark at her. No, wait, did they used to bark at her, Ziggy, or were they scared of her? Were they scared?
They were scared of her.
Huh?
Because they're like, it's a new breed of dog in the neighborhood, so they used to run up and try to flirt with her random little thing there. And see, you could dainty Nova run on the street.
Wait, how she run, Daddy? How the dog run?
They could dainty Nova. I mean, they used to the Jamaican dog there.
They're following her.
So them talk.
I don't know where they get my dad from, but that's my dad. Remember when she ran away from Ziggy one time and these bigger dogs were trying to run after her? Remember, weren't you scared? But the funny thing is when you look at her, it almost looks like she always has a smile on her face. So she literally wants to go up to the dogs and so friendly. She always look like she's smiling. Because yes, dogs smile. And other dogs are like literally either scared of her or like they want to attack her. But she was such a cute dog. See if I can find a picture and insert her. You were scared? You thought my mom was gonna be mad, eh?
No, because seriously, yeah, that dog going to go fuck him up, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I would reach, you go down with a pipe there. I took me up on the clocks and the rain go fall out. Now I need a drop. And bring up a pipe. But when I see her, I get scared on my time. Because I'm calling like, you just run come on.
No, she was a good dog. She was a good dog, but for some reason she always humped Ziggy's leg. Every time. But anyways, I'm gonna go and finish editing. Waiting for my chicken to thaw out. I don't even know what I'm making yet. Probably baked chicken. But I cut my hair, guys. I added layers into it. My hair's a mess right now, but it's been in a bun. But I had to add some layers because my hair literally dropped. Then Keisha cut her hair shoulder length, and I'm just like, now I want to cut my hair. But then I want long hair. But yeah, I'm gonna go finish edit before Nyla wakes up, because when she wakes up, my time is occupied. It's all hers. Anyways, guys, I'm about to make some what was I making again? Ooh, should I do jerk chicken? I'm about to make some baked chicken. I don't know how I'm doing it yet. I don't know if I'm gonna be cooking it in the bag or without the bag. So I'm gonna do some baked chicken with some baked potato and some macaroni salad on the side and a salad on the side. Yeah, so that's what I'm cooking today. And I said that I was gonna do rice with it. No, I lied. I said I was gonna do salad and macaroni salad and veg with it, but I actually switched my mind. I'm gonna be doing banana and dumpling with it because Ziggy said he's tired of rice. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Ziggy took his phone after he knows my camera is charging. But anyway, so the chicken's currently in the bag. I know it looks a little pink, it doesn't have color right now, but this is a different way of baking your chicken. So right now I used this So Juicy brand. So basically what you do is like it comes in a little bag and you put your chicken in it. It has like different seasons. They have like roast chicken, rotisserie, barbecue ribs, like they have like all these different ones. But anyways, I use the sauce from that or the seasoning from that and I put it in here. I didn't mean to put onions in here yet, but it was an accident. It already went in, so I'm like, whatever, can't go wrong with adding onion before. But yeah, you just put it in the bag, let it cook for a little. You poke holes in the bag, put it in the oven for a couple of minutes, not a couple of minutes, for like about 20-25 minutes. At least that's what I do. And then I'm gonna take it out of the bag once it's cooked, and I'm gonna transfer it into a different pot and then just make up my gravy and season whatever I'm adding to it, like potato. And I said that I was gonna do rice with it. No, I lied. I said I was gonna do salad and macaroni salad and veg with it, but I actually switched my mind. I'm gonna be doing banana and dumpling with it because Ziggy said he's tired of rice. So that's what I'm gonna be doing.
So I take over my dumpling and piece of meat. I'm going to see what I go on now. I'm over there, shall long game play a team out. Yeah. So, you know what, I just as me bust the flour and onion peas.
You forgot to record.
May I say? You know, sure. That pepper, I'm just sitting.
Yeah.
So. I'm lost in favor. I'm lost in favor. That it's good. Best part of that chicken, me I go down to
You're so ugly. You guys taking Shauna Banana's new haircut.
But look at my head and how my head is right now.
It's a little messed up, but you cut up your hair. You cut up your hair? I can't even talk.
You sticking out there, I was trying to braid.
But it looks cute. I like it. Shauna and Keisha cut their hair and it looks so nice. I need to color mine. That's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna color it.
She's scared that if she cuts her hair, you guys gonna stop following her.
The hell? That's not true. I'm gonna cut my hair. We're going to the grocery store, you know, sister runs. We got Lyra in the back there. Can you guys see her? Lyra! Lyra! I was gonna bring the baby, but it's raining, so I'm like, nah. Yeah, we're going to do some groceries. Shauna was supposed to be studying. How's your studying going?
Me was studying.
Yeah, she was studying. We got exams coming up. It's exam weeks, you know, so we trying to study. I haven't even started studying yet. It's really bad.
I know. Like, I left all my studying to last minute, so that's why I'm like scrambling right now.
And she's finally back at work. That's crazy. I can't believe like a year literally flew by. Yesterday was little baby girl's birthday and Shauna's back at work, which is crazy. Are you excited?
No frills, right?
Anyway. The song bangs, okay?
Yo, Keisha sent I listened to it the first time yesterday because Keisha sent a video and Ramon played it.
Yeah. Oh, that's
You know, it's from the cop song.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is attached.
What made you think?
Black.
Why did
So he was on a country billboard and they took him off because they said his song is not country enough. Shauna, the song sounds tough and Miley Cyrus' dad's on it.
Oh, you're trying to do this is supposed to be country music?
Yeah, it's country music.
Oh.
But like with a twist and I like it. It's different. But yeah, so I'm in my last semester, but I have like a half a semester. Technically the nursing program's 5 semesters. But like your 5th semester is like half. It's not even like a full. It's like 3 months.
Yeah, 3 months. But it could be shorter. You have
It could be
3
shorter.
months to get the hours.
Yeah. All I'm doing right now is doing a mock nursing exam, and then I do like my hours. But this is supposed to prepare you or transition you into like being an actual nurse,
It's
which
like
I kind of like. I like
it's like
it.
putting everything all together.
This is like straight all independent.
Like, yeah.
That's what it basically is. So like clinical, you have like your teacher and like your peers and stuff like that to help you. This time you're gonna you can have like all 3, 4, 5 patients. You don't even know. Okay, maybe I'm boosting with 5 patients, but you're gonna have like your own load and it's supposed to transition you. And then, so I have that coming up in a couple of weeks, that big exam, but then I have 2 exams right now, like 2 finals. So I should be preparing for that. Can you guys take in, first of all, how big these sweet potatoes are? Like how dear. 1 sweet potato big stuff. And they have breadfruit. Go again. And they have jackfruit or soursop.
Hello. You can't hold this, man.
Babe, where's the baby? Where's the baby?
In Auntie's belly?
Auntie Belly.
You are Auntie, not me.
You're off. Lyra, look at me. Lyra. You guys see what she does? Look what she does. Come. Are you a bull? Are you a bull? Yes. Mira, look, who's that? Who's that? Look, 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 look. Who's that? Who's that? What's wrong with the baby?
I don't know. Why you rip this off?
She literally laughs for anything.
It's not funny.